Now, your Storm Track weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Miller.
We've got a mostly cloudy sky ahead of us, but the bigger deal that we've got with increasing cloud cover, that's coming in behind a cold front. And that cold front means business for tomorrow. Could see some snow. As it turns out, the snow will not be the most impactful. We'll get some snow out of it. We could have a period of time where the visibilities are reduced, and there will be impact from it. But the most impactful part of this is more than likely going to be how cold the wind gets tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night, and into the early hours of Saturday. Right now, some thin clouds, but a gorgeous afternoon. Spring warmth in Manhattan. Temperatures in the middle 70s. We've got some lower 70s in Topeka. That high thin cloud cover rolling in out ahead of the storm system. It is currently 72 degrees in Topeka. The winds have shifted now to the northwest from the southwest most of the day. Started out chilly at 34, climbed all the way up to 72. And that is our high so far for the day, with cloud cover just thinly stretched in. It doesn't even show up all that well on this view of the satellite because of how thin it is, but it is in advance of all of this cloud cover out to the west. The main storm system is still moving in throughout the Pacific Northwest, but a part of that will branch off and move in. The second wave comes at us by late in the weekend, so there's really two opportunities for some precipitation. You'll notice dry tomorrow morning. If you head out early on Friday, have plans for a Friday lunch, yes, it will be colder, but it will be dry through the day. Now, the drive home gets a little different. We start to see a mix of rain and snow moving into the area. And as we head into the evening, a chance for some snow may only last for an hour or two at any given location, but it could be a burst of some heavier snow. And while it hits, we could see, again, a decent kind of hit of it, not a lot. Dusting to an inch is what we're looking at now. We clear out of that for a while on Saturday, and look what happens Saturday night into Sunday. Another chance for a winter mix of snow and rain, and then as we head into the northeastern counties, some snow, but we gradually warm up as this lifts out. So again, mainly on that one, northern half of the area. Temperatures right now ranging from 63 at Marysville, 73 at Forbes Field, 72 at Council Grove. The winds are generally out of the kind of south for the southern counties and north for the northern counties. That front is pushing in now, and we've warmed up quite a bit ahead of it, but those winds really start to pick up tomorrow, picking up to about 20-25 miles per hour through the afternoon and evening hours. So the wind chill, as I mentioned, most likely going to be the biggest concern here as we fall through the evening into tomorrow morning. Teens, 20s, and 30s around 8:30, and then through the day we start falling farther into the teens, even some single-digit wind chills by this time tomorrow, and more so into the evening hours, all the way overnight and into Saturday morning. So very cold air lasts for a much longer period of time. Upper 30s in the morning, and then 39 for the high tomorrow. Temperatures just don't recover. We see about 60% chance for snow during the late afternoon, early evening hours. Again, the snow may only pile up to about a dusting to an inch, but the cold wind continues, and that is an unusually cold temperature there for a Saturday morning. 15-degree air temperature, 42 on Saturday, and then in the upper 20s Sunday morning with that snow changing over to rain as we warm to 50, but a big warm up by the middle of next week. We're back in the 70s.
All right, will be a nice evening, I guess, and then
enjoy it while we've got it.
Enjoy it while we've got it.
Because tomorrow's not going to be a nice evening.
Well,